Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the please close a space before starting the game error in the 7 Deadly Sins origin. First, make sure no other games or similar applications are running in the background. Close all running apps completely and then relaunch the game to check if the issue is fixed. If you're still facing the error, and go to this PC. Then open your C drive, go to the Windows folder, then System32, and open the drivers folder. Here, look for the file named ace-base.sys. Before making any changes, copy this file and save it somewhere safe as a backup. Now go back, right-click on the original file, and rename it, then confirm if prompted. After that, try launching the game again. In most cases, this should fix the problem. If the issue still continues, see Open Command Prompt as administrator, run the commands given in the description one by one, and press Enter after each command. Once done, restart your PC and launch the game again. If you're still getting the error, you can try a clean boot. Open System Configuration, go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Apply the changes and restart your computer. After the restart, open the game again and check if the issue is resolved. One of these methods should fix the error and allow the game to run properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.